Okay, so for DMR today, what you're working on is a question that deals with ratios. So it's Casey has a total of 18 pens. So this is how many pens that she has. So think about it as yourself as Casey. You have 18 pens in your hand right now. 12 of those 18 pens are blue. So we're going to highlight that blue. 12 of them are blue. The rest of them are red. Okay, so the rest of them are red. Okay, so we want the ratio of blue pens to red pens. So if I'm looking for blue to red, okay, how many blue pens do I have? It says 12 are blue, so 12 goes first. 12 to how many red pens? And they're saying that the rest of them are red. So if I only have 18 pens in my hand, 12 of them are blue. What the rest of them are red. So 12 to 18 is how many is red. So that would be 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. If I count to 18 on my hands from 12, that's 6 pens that are red. Okay, so I would do 6. You could have also done 18 minus 12. So your ratio is 12 to 6. They want to know which one of these. I don't see 12 to 6 though here. I see 1 to 2, 2 to 1, 2 to 3, and 3 to 2. So I have to figure out which one of these is the equivalent ratio. I have to figure out which one of those is the equivalent ratio of 12, 12 to 6. So we know if we're trying to find an equivalent ratio, we have to do the butterfly method. So we're going to do the butterfly method. So our original ratio that we're trying to find what's equivalent to is 12 to 6. So we start 12 over 6. So let's start with A, 1 over 2. 1 over 2. So we got to do the butterfly. 2 times 12 is 24. 6 times 1 is 6. 24 and 6, not equivalent. Okay, again, we're looking for 12 and 6, and then the next one is 2 and 1. So we do 2 and 1. Well, 12 times 1 is 12. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 and 12 match, so my answer is B. And B is my answer. All right, so that's DMR for today.